Imagine waking up in the heart of the Sahara, the hottest desert on the entire planet. A place where the sun burns the sand until it glows, where winds lash across dunes like fire, where life struggles at every step. Now imagine opening your door, and instead of scorching sand, you see a blanket of snow. White, soft, icy snow, covering dunes that have seen nothing but heat for thousands of years. This is not a scene from a fantasy film. This is not edited footage. This is a real event that happened. And to this day, scientists around the globe still struggle to fully explain how something so impossible became reality. For hundreds of years, deserts were defined by one thing: heat. Intense, merciless heat. Deserts are places where rain is rare, clouds are a luxury, and life survives on the edge of absolute dryness. So snow in a desert? That was considered scientifically impossible for most of human history. But the world changed. Climate systems shifted, and one morning, a series of photographs and videos from the Sahara Desert shocked the internet. People saw the unthinkable: dunes covered in snow, camels walking on icy slopes, and towns waking up to a frozen landscape. In this documentary, we explore what really happened, the science behind this stunning moment, and the uncomfortable truth it reveals about the future of our planet. The event took place in Ain Sefra, a small town on the edge of the Sahara Desert in Algeria, a region often referred to as the gateway to the Sahara. This is a place where summer temperatures reach over 50 degrees Celsius, and even winter nights rarely drop low enough to be called cold. Yet on this unbelievable morning, locals stepped outside and saw something no one could imagine: snowflakes shimmering on the dunes. Some dunes were fully white. Others had perfect stripes of golden sand cutting through the frost, making the landscape look like a painting from another planet. Within minutes, photos went viral. Weather agencies around the world scrambled to verify what they were seeing. And once confirmed, the news spread faster than the snowfall itself. Meteorologists soon discovered that something extremely rare had taken place. During the night, a powerful cold front moved down from Europe, much stronger and deeper than usual. At the same time, a low-pressure system formed over North Africa, pulling moisture inland, something that almost never happens. The warm desert air rose rapidly, collided with freezing winds sweeping down from the north, and the moisture condensed. Under normal conditions, the Sahara's heat would instantly evaporate any chance of snow. But on that night, temperatures dropped to almost -3 degrees Celsius, the perfect threshold where snow could form and reach the ground without melting. It was a moment where every force of nature aligned with perfect timing to create one of Earth's rarest weather events. Snow requires two ingredients: keycap 1, moisture, something deserts lack; keycap 2, freezing temperatures, even rarer in deserts. So how did both appear at the same moment? Satellite models provided the answer. Moisture from the Atlantic had been swept unusually deep into Africa, far beyond its normal reach. Then a powerful Arctic blast pushed south, hitting the Sahara with winter-like intensity. The result was a meteorological collision, two massive air systems meeting over one of the driest places on Earth. Scientists estimate the probability of such a collision happening at exactly the right time may be less than 1 in 1,000. But as climate patterns grow more unstable, such impossible events are becoming more possible than ever before. For the people living in Ain Sefra, the scene was magical and surreal. Children who had never seen snow in their lives ran outside laughing, touching the icy ground with disbelief. Tourists rushed into the desert to capture the spectacle. Some rode camels across snow-covered dunes, an image so unusual that it instantly became a symbol of the event. But behind the beauty, there was confusion. How can snow fall here? Locals asked. Meteorologists received hundreds of calls. News channels sent reporters. Scientists from around the world began studying the event in real time. The images posted online were viewed by millions, sparking debates and theories, from climate change to atmospheric anomalies. While one snowfall does not prove climate change, scientists warn that it fits into a bigger pattern. Weather extremes are increasing. Heat waves are getting hotter. Cold waves are reaching places that never experienced them before. The Earth's climate system is shifting, becoming less predictable and more chaotic. The Sahara snowfall is a symbol, one moment in a long list of unusual events happening worldwide. Snowflake snow in unexpected tropical regions. Fire heat waves in freezing countries. Tornado storms appearing in new locations. Cloud with rainfall in deserts. All these changes hint at a planet entering a new climate era. Surprisingly, the Sahara has now experienced snow multiple times. In 2017, 2018, 2021, and even more recently. Scientists believe this may be the beginning of a new trend. Cold air systems are dipping further south. Moisture paths are shifting. And climate models suggest that extreme events, once considered impossible, may become more common in the coming decades. Future generations may witness deserts experiencing everything from rare snowstorms to tropical-style rainfall. The Sahara Desert, once a land of predictable heat, may be entering a future of surprising contrasts. The desert that snowed overnight reminds us of one powerful truth. Earth is more alive, more complex, and more mysterious than we often realize. A single night changed how we think about deserts, how we think about weather, and how we understand climate. Nature can surprise us. Nature can warn us. And nature can shift faster than we are prepared for. As we watch the dunes return to golden sand with the rising sun, we are left with questions that shape our future. If snow can fall in the Sahara, what else is Earth capable of?